Hey guys, my name is Cam. I'm the owner here at K9aholics, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of owning a personal protection dog. Before starting this company, I was a police officer here in the city of Norfolk. I had a lot of fun with that job, but one thing it showed me is that terrible things happen to people every single day.
An 11-year-old girl waiting for her school bus when a man armed with a knife runs straight for her and tries to force her into his vehicle.
You can see the man grab her, but she breaks free. He chases after her.
Witnesses told police she asked for help from bystanders and attempted to hide under another person's truck. When Gravett picked her up, police say witnesses told them she was kicking and screaming, "Help me, please help me."
We all know that a firearm is the best personal protection tool, but you may not always have that firearm with you. You need a plan A, B, and C. And a personal protection dog is a valuable option to help keep you and your family safe. Those terrible things usually happen to people when they least expected it. And we all pray that it doesn't happen to us, but one day you may find yourself in a very similar situation. My goal is to help you prepare yourself to attack evil face on.
Hey, are you at work right now? Okay, cool. I just want to let you know I am at the park right now and I'm about to get out and go on a run with the dog. I'll let you know when I get home, okay? All right, I love you. All right, bye. Okay. Coucher.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Are you out here running by yourself? I didn't mean to startle you.
Oh, no, you're fine. I'm actually waiting for some friends. They should be here soon.
Okay, do you mind if I use your phone real quick? I'm just waiting for a buddy to pick me up. My phone's dead. I just need to let them know where I am.
You know, I actually think I left it in my car.
I just need 30 seconds just to borrow it real
I'm
quick.
sorry.
I promise I'll be quick.
I don't have it on me. You could probably ask someone else on the trail.
Come on, just 30 seconds. That's all I need.
I don't know what to tell you. I don't have my phone
Just
on
30
me,
more
sir.
seconds. I just need 30 seconds to use it. Come on.
Just go ask someone else.
Why are all the girls the same? You're so stuck up. Just somebody use the damn phone.
Out of here. I'm gonna send my dog on.
Somebody use the damn phone. Just somebody use the damn phone.
I have my phone.
All right.
Sir, get out of here.
All right. All right. All right. Just somebody use the damn phone. Ah! Get your dog. Ah! Get your dog. Ah! Come on, get your dog. This hurts. Come on. Get your dog. This hurts. Come on.
But look. I said get out of here. Good, couché. Good, couché. Yeah, hi. I'm at First Landing Beach right now. I was just walking my dog and just sitting down here, and this guy, he's wearing a gray hoodie, like sunglasses. He has a mustache. I don't know. He came out of the woods and he tried to attack me. He ran off, but I need police here soon.
There are thousands of cases out there where women have gone missing simply because they were alone and easy targets for bad guys. I don't want that to happen to you. Family protection dogs are here to keep you safe. We all know the saying, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. If you're interested in a dog, contact us at K9aholics.com. Be safe. Thanks for watching.